the late summer of 2011 and early fall, a group of truly remarkable people came together to cultivate the seeds that had been planted years ago in the community of the South Cumberland Plateau for a community fund, a fund that could come together and help raise money to serve the needs of the community through new initiatives.
Well, the South Cumberland Community Fund is dear to my heart. I'm thrilled about the many social service agencies that have risen up from all over the county. They were here, but I think as a result of the South Cumberland Community Fund, they are more vital than they've ever been.
Our beloved mountain is an isolated, beautiful region. It's sandwiched between Chattanooga and Nashville, both thriving metropolitan areas, but we know that we are invisible to their institutionalized philanthropy. We also know that only 2% of philanthropic dollars in this country go to rural areas. Our goal is to build on the strengths that already exist on this mountain. We think with the right resources, in the right hands, that we will be able to help create prosperity and hope across the region.
You know, the community fund allows small local nonprofits like us, gives us that extra little bit of resource that allows staff people and volunteers to do what they're called to do without having to worry about the funding and to kind of investigate, hold us accountable to investigating our process and making sure that what we're doing is something that's really going to continue year after year.
The Community Fund's grants program was our way of getting to know the organizations on the plateau, what they were doing, and even in the short run, what their dreams were. When that work was over, they came back to us and we listened as they said, part of our challenge is the basic organizational strength that we have. We know we can't fulfill our long-term dreams if we don't have a strong foundation. And we look at the capacity building program as helping them build that foundation.
It's been exciting to see the relationship between the university, the South Cumberland Community Fund, and the new Vista project develop. The richness of the relationships that are being created through these 10 individuals coming and working directly in the community and spending time in the community, listening to residents and learning what will actually improve and meet their identified needs.
Before the Vistas, I thought that the Grundy County Health Council was doing a lot and really getting a lot accomplished, but now with the Vistas, it's just amazing at the things that we're able to do and the people that we are able to reach.
This is where we raised our family, and I've never regretted a moment of making my home and raising a family in Grundy County. Grundy County's seen some really hard times. After the coal ran out and there was no more coal to dig, and then the timber almost ran out, folks moved along. They're gone. I give to the community fund because I can physically look around and see my money working. I'm able to look around and see my money help that happen. My money helped that happen. I don't mind supporting something where I can visibly see is making a positive impact. And So that's why I give to them.
Perhaps as a result of the South Cumberland Community Fund, there's an opportunity for more and more effective work to be done. And I'm so grateful for the people who've hung in there and are now stepping up even more than they ever have before. By having the South Cumberland Community Fund, they can have confidence that this fund will be a way that they can make a contribution and know in their heart that that money will make a difference in enriching life on the plateau. I think the future for the plateau is extremely bright.